What's up, everybody? Hey, check this out. So I picked up an air conditioner for my shop. Oh, yes. Anyways, hopefully that'll work. But here's the deal. I've been trying to get my butt out to go ride, and I feel like I've just been lazy. So here's the deal. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go ride. And I'll probably, to be honest with you, I'm gonna take the KLX. We're gonna go do some hill climbing. But, update here. So, obviously, y'all know I bought this 2002 Yamaha Tw200. I got my kids' clothes all out here. What the heck? Look at all those creamies, wrappers. Kids, they're a mess. But anyways, so the purpose of this video today is an update on the 2023 TW. So that's this, right? Just kidding. Y'all know they're not out yet. Obviously, you've seen my channel. You know that's my old 2003. But anyways, are you excited for the new 2003 model to come out? Now, I know I did a video earlier about, rumors. There's some rumors going on about the TW. Now, is the TW going to change? No, it's not. We already know this. We've watched, well, we didn't watch the video, but I'll put a link down in the description of the Yamaha website. Yamaha came out with their specs, and honestly, I think we all knew that nothing was going to change, right? So that's that. Nothing changed. Nothing's going to change. We already knew that. However, when there is rumors floating around that the TW is going to change, sometimes you got to talk about it. Right? Yeah. So, boring video today. Yeah. So, I was thinking though. I was really thinking. I'm probably not going to do this because Mob Street 83, he's already got his name on the list for a 2023 Yamaha Tw200. And if you want, go head over to his channel. Go check out his stuff. That's my brother-in-law. He's a good dude. But in the meantime, we are still going to go have some fun on these Yamaha Tw200s. Now, question I guess I have for some of you guys is, where are you riding your TW the majority of the time? Are you street riding the Yamaha TW, or are you truly using it for dual purpose riding? Are you riding around town? Are you riding the pavement? Are you riding the dirt? Are you a farmer who just has it for a farm bike hauling hay? I don't know, but I find that I feel the majority of you kind of use it for dual sport, but it's more, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me, where do you ride your TW the most? The road or the dirt? Me, I'm almost 99.5% dirt. As far as, I just have to get to the pavement, obviously, to get to the dirt. Or ride on the pavement to get to the dirt. And honestly, it's not even that far. But, yeah, I was just curious. Let me know. Stay tuned. I'm going to take, I need to register this TW. So, I've got the title. I'm still short. It's hard to get off, especially when I'm holding the camera. But, this one's good to go. I need to register this in my name. I want to do a new video. Stay tuned. I'm going to go out. I'm going to ride this thing. Now, keep in mind, I've already rode it a little bit, and I can tell you there is a difference in his / my new TW versus my old TW. And it's kind of funny I say my new and my old one, because This one is the older one, and that one is the newer one. So there's some slight differences on the TWs. Obviously, you're gonna have to stay tuned on the next video. I'll go through them all. I'll show you everything. I'll show you what I like. Because like I said, the funny thing is this thing has, they both have the stock carburetor, but that one has less response. So I feel that this throttle is a little more crisp on that. But that's it. I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I just wanted to jump on here and obviously let you guys know, because you already know, you're in the Facebook groups, you're in some of these things, you're paying attention to the Yamaha Tw200, and you already know that there's no changes to the 2023 Yamaha TW. Unfortunately, no new colors. But next year things might change. What do you think? Do you think they'll change? I think the colors are going to change next year. I do. I don't know. But anyways, peace out. Have a good one. And I'll leave you with this smorgasbord of a freaking unorganized shop. But we're going to change that soon.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.